Hey guys, again, this is Tim Trevathan and we're covering new construction, and this video is about Hamilton Crossing by Meritage Homes. And you may have seen another video I did on Meritage Homes, the same builder that did Sweetwater Green, which is the other hot community going on in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And why? Because it's a huge community of 400 plus homes with many floor plans to choose from. So many that they're having to retire some of them. And it's in a great prime location off of Club Drive, close to Pleasant Hill, near the interstate, near Koreatown, and all the things with the shopping and dining that Duluth has to offer. But this place may be of attraction and appeal to you because it's the same floor plans, but in a different location, perhaps better school district. So something to check out. Hamilton Crossing, which has 89 homes that they're gonna be selling, 60 of them are left, so still over 50%, plenty to choose from. As I mentioned in other videos, every builder is different, and with this one, you do have a waiting list. But unlike Sweetwater Green, where you're required to get a pre-approval letter with their preferred lender to be on the waiting list, this one you don't need to. You can get a pre-approval letter with your outside lender, or you don't even have to have it if you want to request to be put on the waiting list. First come, first serve, so you want to go ahead and get on the waiting list as soon as possible if you see a floor plan that you are interested in. They have move-in ready floor plans as far as the ranch floor plan goes as of right now, and that's recording this video. And then they got other floor plans, the biggest being the Taylorsville with 3,252 square feet to pick from. And they got an option with the unfinished basement. After all is said and done, you're looking at about $640,000 on the price for that, which is their most expensive as far as the most features, biggest square footage, and basement option. With this community, the price, keep aware, goes up every 3 houses. How much, that is not sure until it happens. So it could be $2,500 to $5,000 every 3 houses. So the earlier you get in, the better. They have a common area that the HOA takes care of, as well as a swimming pool. So it's an annual HOA fee of $750. To secure a contract at Hamilton Crossing, the earnest money amount is $15,000. And the preferred lender incentive right now with them is very good compared to other ones. It's 3% of the closing cost. You don't see that often in a lot of these other builders. It's usually like $5,000 or $7,500, but 3%, that usually comes out to about $15,000. Basically, all your closing costs is gonna get covered by their preferred lender incentive. As I mentioned, earnest money is $15,000, but if you are buying in cash or you have an outside lender that you're working with, then the earnest money is $30,000. Now, Hamilton Crossing is in the Buford area, so it's right within the city limits of Buford, but it is in a far northern area than, say, Mall of Georgia area, but still not a bad location because you're not far from that Mall of Georgia, as well as Lake Lanier being closer because of the location of where this specifically is in Buford. So some good amenities like the swimming pool are there, and you're not bad as far as location goes. So if you're looking to make a purchase, give me a call. I represent buyers on the buyer side, even for new construction. You'll see that it is to your gain to work with an agent, and I help a lot of people buy new construction. And you can check out my step-by-step how to buy a new construction home in Georgia, parts 1 and 2 in the links above, which you'll see there is a lot of information that goes into how to buy a new construction home. And I hope those videos will be helpful, and you'll be so excited that you'll want to give me a call so that we can work together. Hey guys, it's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and I'm here on the outskirts of Buford at another new construction community called Hamilton Crossing, built by Meritage Homes, which I love that builder because they have the foam insulation, which is known to be a bit more efficient and longer lasting than the usual fiberglass insulation that we're accustomed to. But not only that, I love these homes. They're big, they're spacious, the floor plans are nice. The Taylorsville, which is their biggest one, about 3,200 square feet they have for sale here, just like the ones in Sweetwater Green in Lawrenceville, which is another hot community by the same builder. You can get it here in the outskirts of Buford. And they got about 80 homes and about 60 lots left. So you've got plenty of opportunity here. So come check it out. And again, this is a community that is known to be pretty renowned here in Atlanta. And they've got all sorts of floor plans. Yeah, they even got a ranch floor plan here. And again, you'll see that there are a lot of townhome communities being built and just not many single family, it seems like, but here is a solid one. So come check it out. If you need my representation, I would love to help you with new construction, resale, whatever it may be.